welcome back to a new video here. I am super excited to bring you guys this video, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to not be the insecure one in a relationship. If you are tired of being insecure, tired of being jealous of your spouse or your girlfriend, and she's just using your emotion to play on a roller coaster, then this video is for you. So the first thing to do if you don't want to be insecure in your relationship is to communicate with your spouse up front, guys. Tell her your boundaries. Let her know the things that you like and the things that you don't like. If you don't like her talking to some guys, even on WhatsApp or physically, so that when she does those things, she'll know that she's actually wrong. Because sometimes girls do things naively. They do things like they don't actually know that it actually hurts you as a guy. So if you don't want to be jealous about her, if you don't want to be jealous in your relationship, let her know upfront that you're a jealous guy. Yes, it is not a bad thing to be a jealous guy. It's not a bad thing, but you just have to put it in check, and she has to help you out on that. Because the moment she continues to talk with some other guys other than you, the moment she continues to do all those things that you don't like, your emotions tend to flare up, and it become even more harder for you to control yourself, guys. Yeah, so the next thing you need to do if you want to stop being insecure is to stop being possessive as a guy. Stop being over possessive. You understand? Stop feeling like she's only for you, she's only yours. She's just your girlfriend, though. She's just you are not married to her. Until you are married to her, then she's no longer in the market. Same with you. Until you are married, you are no longer in the market. You have the ability to talk to several people. You have the ability to make friends and all. She also has that liberty to make friends. So give her that liberty, give her that headspace. If you look at things, if you give her that liberty, if you give her that headspace, by herself she'll come submitting to you. By herself she'll come giving those time to you. If you communicate with her up front, like I said in the first point, all these things, and you also make her free to make a decision. If she loves you, she's going to sacrifice those things for you guys. If she loves you and wants to show you that she loves you, and longs for your affirmation, she's going to stop doing all those things, guys. So that's how it's going to be. Stop being over possessive about her. Stop controlling her, because females, they don't like these things. If you continue being jealous, if you continue being over possessive, controlling her, asking her about her whereabouts, asking her about who she's talking to on the phone, she will stop being around you. Let me tell you the truth, being jealous turns your girl off, guys. A girl can literally leave you because you are jealous, and jealousy to her makes you weak as a man, guys. Alright, guys, so if you are enjoying this content so far, do to smash that subscribe button and also like this video, guys. I would really appreciate it. I upload content like this, content to help you out on your relationship and other stuffs coming further in the future. So if you don't want to miss out, do to turn on that post notification bell and also smash that subscribe button, guys. Like this video so that someone else who also want to stop being insecure can find this video and watch it and find value, guys. So let's continue with the video. The next thing you need to do if you want to stop being insecure is to be confident in yourself, guys. Know your abilities, know your worth. Know that she chose you. If she's in a relationship with you, she chose you and you are the best guy she can have right now. Know that you are the prize, and let her work for your love, let her work for your affirmation, and have this mindset that if she leaves you, you are going to find someone else better than her, and if she leaves you, it is not to your own disadvantage, it is to our own disadvantage. It is an advantage for you to get someone else better. You have to be in control of your emotions as a man. Be very confident in yourself. Have self-love. Start working out. What you can actually do to increase your confidence is to start working out and start making money, guys. Those two things are very important. Those two things will boost your confidence level by a lot. Once you open your bank account and you see that, wow, look at money, you feel so happy. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you are shirtless in the mirror, you feel so happy about your physique and how jacked you are. Personally, I do these things. I work out and I also improve my income. And whenever I say that I'm making money, I feel very happy with myself. Whenever I look at myself in the mirror, I see that, wow, look at that six pack, look at that big arm. I feel so happy. So that's how it's going to be, guys. So without anybody telling me that I'm handsome, without anybody telling me that I'm good, I know myself and I know that that's who I am. It makes me very confident, and that's what I want you guys to do, guys. So if you are confident, you will not be insecure about her leaving you, guys. So that's it. You are the prize and she has to work for your love. If she doesn't work for your love, she doesn't know your worth, guys. Let her go. You need to stop overthinking it, guys. Stop overthinking about the things that she would do that you don't like. Stop overthinking her talking to girls. It is not good for your mental health. It is not good for your emotional health as a man. Sometimes when you just see your babe or your girlfriend or your spouse, using her phone, all that is coming through your mind is that she is cheating and all those things like that. Do not overthink it. If you found this video informative, I know you do have to smash that subscribe button, guys. These are the 4 things you need to do if you want to stop being insecure.